Seattle hockey fans, get ready to run. The Kraken 5K is back this fall, mixing fun with a powerful purpose. And joining me to talk about the event, why it matters, and how to get involved are Mel Obrochta with the Kraken and Catherine Swingle, an oncology social worker with Virginia Mason Franciscan Health. Welcome to both of you.
Hi.
Thank you.
Oh, so Mel, I want to start with you. What's the Kraken 5K all about?
Thanks for asking. Well, I think first and foremost, you can still sign up. So if you haven't already signed up, definitely please do. Head to our website. You'll figure out how to do it from there. But the second annual 5K, we're back at Green Lake this year. We're doubling our numbers. We're back bigger than ever. But it really is to kick off the Kraken season. It's to celebrate the Hockey Fights Cancer Fund and everything that we do to celebrate that throughout the year, and really just inspire healthy community. We're really excited to just get people out and running. We've got some of our local partners like Virginia Mason Franciscan Health joining us there, as well as Brooks Running, and so it'll be a really fun day.
Oh, those pictures look so much fun. I love the excitement around it. And Catherine, you are signing up to run, I understand. So why do you want to be a part of this?
Well, apart from staying fit, which is important.
It is.
Well, you know, cancer touches so many people, whether it's yourself, family, friends, co-workers, and I have the extreme privilege of working with patients at Virginia Mason Franciscan Health as the oncology social worker, providing support through their cancer journey as well as their loved ones. And so I think going to the race shows that I'm supporting the cancer community, and I think also everybody who goes there is also telling people, you're not alone, we're here, we want to support you, we're part of your community. So if anybody can go, you know, to show their support, because everybody I think has been touched some way, shape or form by cancer.
Absolutely, you're so right there. And Mel, the 5K is a fundraiser, I understand, for Hockey Fights Cancer Fund. Why do the Kraken and the VMFH team up for this great cause?
Yeah, we work with the NHL, so Hockey Fights Cancer is an NHL initiative, and so all of the teams participate in it, and we're really lucky that we have Virginia Mason Franciscan Health to support us on it and really lead the way in like these really unique activations. And it's important to us to, just like what Catherine was talking about, provide these support initiatives and really encouragement opportunities to folks that have been impacted by cancer. And so the 5K is a really great way to financially donate, live a healthy lifestyle, but also just celebrate those around you. And so we're excited. We have our Hockey Fights Cancer Night later this year. We've done this all 5 years of our existence so far, including before the team was even announced. And so the Hockey Fights Cancer Initiative is really near and dear to this partnership and a really strong platform to be a part of.
Definitely. I can't believe it's already been 5 years of doing this. That's amazing. And Catherine, as an oncology social worker, like you mentioned, why is early detection so critical?
Well, cancer screening can save lives, and especially if you can get an early detection for cancer such as breast cancer, cervical, colon, and prostate, that's key to survivorship. And so the Kraken partnering with us to do this is huge, because a lot of people don't feel comfortable maybe going to their doctor, but they're at a Kraken event and it's going to be easy right there to get some screening and then hopefully help someone to detect a cancer that they would normally maybe not have known about. So yes, having that partnership, we're so honored to have that and to have them support the Cancer Center. And then the fundraising that comes from the race will go to supporting our patients at Virginia Mason Franciscan Health. So it's a double plus.
Absolutely, and that community support is so amazing.
Yes.
Mel, how can people get involved even if they're not running? Because we understand that maybe running isn't for everyone, although it is a great thing to do.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, the 5K is really just the start. So this is an initiative that we activate around all year long. November is really the focus point when we have our game. But if you've ever wanted to ride the Zamboni, you'll be able, you can actually donate and bid to win a ride on the Zamboni. And so that's another really unique way that Virginia Mason Franciscan Franciscan Health allows folks to participate and support the Hockey Fights Cancer Fund. But you don't just have to run. It's a really awesome way, and just honestly coming out to games and learning a little bit more about what the support looks like throughout the year. And like Catherine was talking about, those early detection opportunities, we're actually planning on doing another cancer screening at the game in November. And so if you're eligible, you'll be able to sign up.
Oh, speaking of, too, tell us about the Hockey Fights Cancer Night, November 15th.
Yeah, so last year was really special because it was our first time doing this cancer screening event. We ended up screening 93 Kraken fans just on the main concourse at Climate Pledge Arena. It was an incredible view. I couldn't believe how many people had signed up and actually showed up. It was incredible. But that allowed us to actually find a couple folks that ended up following up with their doctor, hopefully saving some lives, but we're going to do that again. We'll be also doing a lot of patient storytelling throughout the day. Our game presentation team does such an incredible job at just transforming the arena to celebrate Hockey Fights Cancer and to celebrate that survivorship, educate everyone on what they need to do in order to find that early detection opportunity, but also just really create some stunning moments. And so this year we're really excited. November, go to our website, find out a little bit more on how you can join us there.
Amazing. Ladies, thank you so much for being here and sharing this important initiative and this partnership together. It's going to be great.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you.
Amazing. And don't forget, the Kraken's Hockey Fights Cancer Night is Saturday, November 15th versus the San Jose Sharks. So check that out.